99% of all gold ever mined by humans could fit into a cube of 60 feet, which is 60 by 60 by 60. I'll show you a little example of that.
Oh, it's your phone.
That's the
It's
end
on your
of it.
phone.
Yeah.
Here's an example of 60 by 60 feet. So if you'd have a human, he would be about this tall and 60 by 60. All the gold ever mined, not all the gold ever mined by, or not all the gold in the world, but all the gold ever mined and taken out of the earth by humans.
Ron, you might want to use the garbage can as your table,
Okay.
and that way you can, there you go.
All right. No wonder it costs so much. Did you know gold is almost as malleable as lead? When I say malleable, I mean able to be hammered or pressed into shape without breaking at all. Okay. Can you guys name 3 uses for gold? Baird?
Coins.
Okay. For trade. Jessica?
Jewelry.
Yeah. Carrie?
Well, there's some like makeup that has gold.
So, like decoration?
Yeah.
Okay, decoration. Yeah. Let's see if you guys got it. Trade, jewelry, and decoration. All right. If you didn't know that gold is a transition metal, then you must be listening to this very next minute. All right. Let's start out with a very simple fact. Does anyone here speak Greek? Okay, nobody. Then you must not know the Greek word aura. Does anyone here, can anyone take a guess? Keegan.
Gold.
Well, it's close, but the Greek word, like aura, actually means yellow, which is the closest color to gold. Now, the radioactive isotope for gold is gold 198, and they sometimes could use it to be able to treat cancer. And these numbers in the very top right corner, 2 is the very first, the electrons in the innermost shell, and 1 is the amount of electrons in the outermost shell. When I say radioactive, it means gold would have an unstable nucleus. You better believe gold is also very ductile. Does that mean gold attracted ducks? If only. Ductile means that gold can be used as a conductor. Even though gold is a better conductor as copper, it is way too expensive to use in our daily life. Here's your daily challenge. Try and count the number of gold uses every day, and you'll be surprised at how many gold uses you'll see in the everyday world. Could be real gold and could be fake gold. All right. When you think of the gold rush when you were little, you would think people rush for gold. It's true in in a lot of ways, but it's not exact. Ever wonder what the 49ers were named after? The gold rush was around 1849, which is the last 2 digits, 49. And the 49ers named themselves after the gold rush. Did you get the hint? The main source of gold we, the Americans, get from China, is from China and Alaska. It isn't really surprising if you think about it. Gold is one of the most known elements in the periodic table, but at the same time, gold is one of the rarest. Alright, today gold is being thought of in many different ways. Just like when King Midas turned everything into gold. Now here's a periodic table, the elements, and here's gold. It is in the 11th column and the 6th row down. Just like given King Midas, which was to turn everything into gold, and that is his daughter. We also read about King Midas in our Worldly Guards books, if you guys remember.
Yeah.
Be careful what you wish for. Gold is being molded into jewelry that you might buy 10 years from today at your wife's wedding ring. Gold is also an element that needs to be respected and treated with care because what comes around goes around.